गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। अभी अभी मैंने आप लोगों को एक अपडेट दी थी ब्रेकिंग सैंडलवुड ड्रग केस में। मैं आपको पूरी डिटेल में बताता हूँ कि पूरी न्यूज़ क्या है। मैंने आपको बताया था कि आदित्य आल्वा मूव्स कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट सीकिंग क्वाशिंग ऑफ एफआईआर और रागिनी द्विवेदी ने बेल फाइल अप्लाई की है। तो मैं आपको डिटेल में बताता हूँ पूरी न्यूज़ क्या है और पूरा प्रकरण जो आज हुआ सैंडलवुड ड्रग केस में। The Central Crime Branch has informed the Karnataka High Court that it was found incriminating evidence from Aditya Alva's residence in connection with the Sandalwood drug case. A bench of Justice Suraj Govindraj was told of this development by the CCB while hearing a plea filed by Aditya Alva seeking to quash the first information report filed against him by the Cantonpet police station in the ongoing drug case. Police has registered a case against Alva and four others under various sections of the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, NDPS Act and the Section 120B on the Indian Penal Code. In the statements of objection filed in response to Alva's petition, CCB said it was found MDMA pills, marijuana or other materials while searching his house in September. द पिटिशन जो पिटिशन आल्वा ने फाइल की है states that the unqualified allegation have been made in the complaint which had no mention of the commission of a cognizable offense. The plea further argues that the complaint does not even remotely fulfill the ingredients offenses under which the crime is registered against Alva. The plea reads, मैं पूरा plea आपको पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ कि बेसिकली आल्वा ने जो हाई कोर्ट में पिटीशन फाइल करी है वो पूरा क्या है माजरा. A cursory perusal of the provision of the act that is pressed into service by the respondent police against the petitioner read in juxtaposition with the averments in the complaint filed by the second respondent on the basis of which crime came to be registered would in crystal clear terms indicate that averments information made by the second respondent has absolutely no nexus whatsoever with the ingredients of the offence for which crime is registered by the first respondent police as against the petitioner. In fact, the name of the petition only appears twice in the entire complaint, that too on a bald and unqualified allegation which forms the sole basis for registration of the crime and investigation as against the petitioner. ये बार एंड बेंच द्वारा बार एंड बेंच के हवाले से सारी खबर आ रही है जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ. ये ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ है लेकिन ये डिटेल न्यूज़ है सैंडलवुड ड्रग केस की. This apart, the plea also states that Alva and his family members have deep roots in society and enjoy an immense amount of respect and recognition. The acts of the police have caused irreparable damage to the petitioner as well as his family, thus violating his right to live with dignity envisaged under Article 21. It is awarded. On the arguments, the plea seeks to quash the FIR against Alva in the matter. Senior Advocate C.V. Nagesh, assisted by Advocate Ajay Katkol, will be appearing for Alva in the matter. The matter has been adjourned for November 13th. वहीं दूसरी तरफ कन्नड़ा एक्ट्रेस रागिनी द्विवेदी ने भी अपना बेल एप्लीकेशन मूव किया था और मैं आपको डिटेल में बताता हूँ. कंगना एक्ट्रेस रागिनी देवी has also filed a petition seeking bail in connection with Sandalwood drug scandal case. The petition mainly states since the seizure of a possession of the drugs was not specifically from Dwivedi, the same cannot be attributed to her. Advocate Kalyan Krishna will be appearing on behalf of Dwivedi. The matter will be heard by Justice B.A. Patil on October 23. तो रागिनी द्विवेदी ने जो बेल एप्लीकेशन मूव की है उसकी हियरिंग होगी October 23 को. The High Court had recently issued notice in bail application filed on behalf of actress Sanjana Galrani, who was arrested in connection with the case. Recently, NDPS court refused to grant bail to Kannada actress Ragini Dwivedi and Sanjana Galrani. Both were taken into custody. So this is the whole narration, what all had happened. And these people were booked under provision of the Narcotic, Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985 and the Indian Penal Code. So this is the full detail what all happened today in High Court related to Sandalwood drug case. धन्यवाद. Good evening, good night, take care.